annual International River Crossing. This year's theme is Critter Connection, and we have girls who've made swaps of all kind of animals. We actually have live animals here for them to see today. They're making community walls.
Okay, this is our community wall. It's an opportunity for the girls to come in and explore the animals, see which ones they like and why they like them, to share a little bit about the animals, to be a little creative in the coloring of them, as you can see.
I am swapping with this cadet Girl Scout who made a little pin for me. I'm going to put it on my shirt. I'm going to give her some of my swaps.
Can you tell us what exactly a swap is?
A swap is a special, whatchamacallit, affectionately pinned somewhere.
We are here at River Crossing under the 100th anniversary. Can you tell us a little bit about your display here?
Well, the uniforms are from the various eras of Girl Scouting, and in fact I can recognize some that I wore when I was a Girl Scout. That was the style of brownies back in the 60s when I was a Girl Scout. I was born in 1955. So I am a lifetime Girl Scout, and I just think it's fantastic that in the year 2011 we still have Girl Scouting.
It's Smokey the Bear! What's your name?
Abigail.
Abigail. You're from Ontario and you're a Girl Guide? Oh, this is so cool. What's this on your head?
This is all my hats that I get to wait for years to do it.
Cool. What's your favorite one? Do you have one?
That would be the Justin Bieber one. I really like Justin Bieber.
The Justin Bieber one.